this video, we will show you the differences of the menu locations between macOS and Windows operating system. Drawings can run natively on both macOS and Windows computers. Users who switch from Windows to macOS or vice versa may be looking for some menu items only to be found at different spots. Let's see how you can easily locate everything. First, we need to remember that Windows apps have their menu bar on the top area of the application window, while macOS apps have their menus located on the macOS menu bar. The macOS menu bar is this thin horizontal bar on the top of the screen. The Apple menu is always located on the menu bar of the Mac screen, while the menus of the currently working app are loaded next to the Apple menu. For example, when Finder is focused, its menus appear next to the Apple menu, and the whole menu bar displays the menus of the currently focused app, in this case, Finder. So when you're working on drawing software, you have the Drawings menu on the menu bar. Now, let's have a look at the differences in menus between Windows and macOS. The basic menu structure is the same for File menu, for Edit menu, and View menu. In the Tools menu, though, the difference is that there is no Options menu. This happens because it is common for Mac apps to display the application's preferences in a special menu under the app's name on the menu bar, right next to the Apple menu. In this menu, you may also find the About option, which provides information about the currently installed version of the app. On Windows, the About entry is located within the Help menu. In this Drawings menu, you can also find various app handling options which are not available or may vary than those available on Windows. Another difference is that on macOS, there is a Fullscreen option which allows you to maximize the visible space. Fullscreen option, though, is not available on Windows. Finally, let's have a look at the Search option available in the Help menu. By typing into this text box, you may search through the menus, and if you click on any of the search results, you are driven to the respective option. You may also use that to quickly start a tool, as I do here for the insert symbol.